Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, gearheads. Ready to rev up your engines? Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate guide to the top 5 best intake manifold for LS2 engines. Buckle up for some serious power upgrades. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Posing intake manifold for LS cathedral port heads revolutionizes your engine's performance. Crafted with precision engineering, this manifold optimizes airflow for enhanced power and torque. Its cathedral port design ensures efficient combustion, delivering exceptional throttle response and horsepower gains across the RPM range. Designed for durability and easy installation, it's compatible with LS cathedral port heads, making it a must-have upgrade for any performance enthusiast. Unlock the full potential of your LS engine with the posing intake manifold. Number 2. Fast LS6 102mm intake manifold for LS1s. Engineered for optimal performance, this manifold offers unparalleled airflow for your LS1 engine. With its 102mm throttle body opening and high-flow design, it maximizes horsepower and torque gains throughout the RPM range. Crafted from advanced polymer material, it ensures durability and heat resistance under the hood. The integrated nitrous bungs and optional fuel rail kit make it perfect for high-performance applications. Upgrade your LS1 with the fast LS6 102mm intake manifold and experience the power unleashed. Number 3. Temzone upgraded 102mm intake manifold sheet metal fabricated EFI. Engineered for peak performance, this manifold boasts a sleek sheet metal design, optimized for enhanced airflow. With a wide 102mm diameter, it maximizes air intake for superior engine efficiency. Crafted with precision, its upgraded construction ensures durability and longevity. Perfect for EFI applications, it delivers seamless fuel distribution for an unbeatable driving experience. Elevate your engine's potential with Temzone's cutting-edge design. Unleash power like never before. Number 4. A-Team Performance's 102mm throttle body sheet metal fabricated intake manifold. Engineered for high-performance enthusiasts, this intake manifold offers unrivaled airflow for maximum power gains. Crafted from premium sheet metal, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The 102mm throttle body provides precise throttle response, optimizing engine efficiency. With easy installation and a sleek design, this manifold is a must-have upgrade for any serious gearhead. Unleash the full potential of your engine with A-Team Performance. Number 5. Samusin 92mm intake manifold, designed to maximize your engine's performance. Crafted with precision, this manifold ensures optimal airflow for enhanced combustion, delivering a noticeable boost in horsepower and torque. Its compatibility with a range of engines makes it a versatile choice for automotive enthusiasts. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design, saving you time and hassle. Upgrade your ride with the Samusin 92mm intake manifold and experience the difference in power and responsiveness. Unleash the full potential of your engine today. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best intake manifold for your LS2 engine, it's crucial to consider your specific performance goals and budget. Whether it's improved airflow, horsepower gains, or enhanced throttle response, each option offers unique benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative videos and updates.